are here at Temple Chonhae. Welcome to the famous pine trees, where the trees are as lush and as green as Marlin's love life. So, while we're trekking down, we see a bunch of people behind us walking with us as well. Therefore, we need to hurry up, Marlin. There are going to be a total of 78 steps as we go down. But I will not count because we need to hurry up. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we are about to leave the premises because Dinah doesn't want for us to be on the road too dark.
Bakit ang too dark?
And so, if you look down the street, Net is trying to pose as if she owns the street. However, it's a fail. That's it. What? What's in here?
Kinunan ako ni Dinah ng picture.
Pero kailangan mabilisan, buwis buhay eh.
So, punta pa nga yung pine trees dyan. Ayun.
Diyan!
Ano mo masasabi mo net sa trip na to?
It's very memorable and very special just because it's Baguio and it's the first time with all four of us.
Bakit kailangan English ang mga sagot mo guys?
Kasi hindi ako masyadong marunong mag-Tagalog.
VJ? VJ, ikaw ba yan?
Kailangan ko pang mag-practice.
Seriously?
Yes, there!
Ah, dyan?
Ay, sabi ni Francis.
Ito ba?
Sa ilalim ng puno. Ayun.
Di ba tayo lalagyan?
Tatawid tayo?
So far net, anong best dish ang nakain mo sa trip?
Yung sa Volante.
Really?
That's
Dahil?
my favorite.
Dahil?
Kasi kailangan ka nakatikim ng walang lasang pesto.
Tsaka ikaw yung maghahalo, no?
Yes. Ikaw, ano paborito mo dish na nakain natin on this trip?
Yung lapu-lapu kanina.
Oh my God! Meron din pinili ng oh my God or parang gano'n na puro siya Mongolian barbecue pa rin. Kasi ang desire mo kasi fresh. Ayan, dyan oh. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Mas maganda pa yung
Taas pataas.
although
Pwede ba tayong dumaan doon?
ayan oh, may steps.
Hmm,
Tsaka ito naman, hindi kalbo. Mas green kaya kaysa Medyo nasa steps pwede. Ay, dyan lang? Steps lang, dyan na kami pipicture. Hindi kami akyat. Dyan lang. Thank you.
powerful.
Wire. I think with the
Ganun.
Duck pose again.
Saan na ba?
Dito,
Ito,
Marlin.
ito.
Wait lang.
Ano?
Ano ka ba? Lamig.
Ano?
Pwede ba tayo mag-restroom bago tayo, ano, one last? Kaya, tara, let's.
Saan?
Sa Manor.
Sa puno.
Akit ka?
So, pasok tayo sa taas.
Thank you.
Parang documented.
Dito yata. Kasi ano yung parang...
Dito yata tayo aakyat.
Akit pa doon.
Ako naman tayo na magdadrive from here. O hindi, ikaw muna. Francis, so far, anong pinaka-best dish na na-try mo this trip?
The best dish would be Bisco's strawberry shortcake.
Okay, fine. Ikaw naman, Diana.
I think the best dish is volare. Volare.
Volante.
Nyoy.
Nyoy volare.
No, I haven't tasted it and I don't have plans of tasting Nyon volare.
Stop badgering the witness.
Yes. OMG, maamo na. Ang ganda ng net. Hindi ba dito? Francis, di ba dito? Yes. Restrooms. Dito. Hi guys, since magsa-CR na kami, magbababay na kami ngayon. Bye na. Bye!